Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into ways to boost your immune system naturally. Our immune system plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy and defending against illness. One of the best ways to support your immune system is through proper nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, can help reduce inflammation and support immune function. Staying hydrated is also key to maintaining a strong immune system. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your body running smoothly. Getting regular exercise is another important factor in boosting your immune system. Exercise can help improve circulation, reduce stress, and strengthen your body's defenses. Adequate sleep is crucial for a healthy immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body time to rest and recharge. Managing stress is essential for immune health. High levels of stress can weaken the immune system, so finding ways to de-stress, such as meditation or yoga, can be beneficial. Incorporating immune-boosting herbs and supplements like echinacea or vitamin D into your routine can provide an extra layer of support. Limiting your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and alcohol can help reduce inflammation and support immune function. Finally, maintaining good hygiene practices, such as washing your hands regularly and avoiding touching your face, can help protect against illness. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you boost your immune system naturally.